Yes, welcome to our channel. Today, let us discuss about the tense, their usage in past. Tense usage in past. Tense means the time, or time is three types. First, which is past, that is past tense, which is in running on, that is present, and upcoming time is in future. Past tense, simple past statement, formation, subject plus second form of verb plus other. Read the sentences in the table given below. Okay, the table is divided in three parts. First column is subject, and second column is verb, and third remaining part of the sentence. Okay, first sentence is he killed the snake with a stone. In this sentence, the subject is he and verb killed. Killed is the second form of the verb. First form of the verb killed is kill. We use ed form for second and third form. The snake with a stone. यानी he killed the snake with a stone. उन्होंने पत्थर से क्या स्नेक को मार डाला. Second, I saw him in the market yesterday. मैंने उनको मार्केट में देखा था yesterday. Our team won the match by 2 goals. मेरी टीम ने मैच को 2 गोल से विन कर लिया, जीत लिया. बी पार्ट इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्मेशन डिड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. In the interrogative sentence, we use did. Okay. Did is the always second form of the do verb. In this sentence, there are 4 columns. First is did. Did is, we said to did as a helping verb. Did subject verb remaining part of the sentence. Did he visit you last week? क्या वह तुम्हारे पास आया था लास्ट वीक, पिछले सप्ताह. डिड यू कम यस्टरडे, क्या वह आया था. डिड दे मीट यू यस्टरडे, क्या उन्होंने कल तुमसे मुलाकात की. निगेटिव सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड प्लस नॉट प्लस प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. रीड दिस sentences in the given below. Subject, did not, verb remaining part of the sentence. Mainly we change in subject, helping verb and verb. Each and every sentence only we change in firstly main verb and helping verb according to their subject. Other words is always same. Other words is always same. Changed into verb and helping verb in each and every sentences, every tenses. First, I did not break your slate. You did not come late yesterday. She did not go to the school yesterday. Interrogative, negative sentence. Interrogative, negative. Formation did plus subject plus not plus present first form of the verb. In interrogative negative sentence, we use not after the subject. Read the sentences in the given below. First column is did, second is subject, third is not, fourth is verb. We are used in this sentence also the first form of the verb. Okay. Did he not break your slate? Did she not come here yesterday? Did you not see a film last night? Uses of simple past tense. द सिंपल पास्ट इज यूज्ड यानी सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को हम कहाँ कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं? टू इंडिकेट पास्ट एक्शन और एक्शन दैट इज कंप्लीटेड। ऐसी जगह पे जो क्या है, एक्शन वाज कंप्लीट, जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हुआ हो। एंड पास्ट एक्शन यानी कि जो ऑलवेज, वी ऑलवेज से दैट इफ एनी वर्क एनी एक्शन इज completed then we will say in past tense. The simple past tense is normally used when we talk about events, actions, situations which occurred in the past and are now finished. When we use in simple past, we are not concerned with the duration of action. ऐसे वर्क जो ऐसे इवेंट्स, ऐसे एक्शंस जो होते हैं क्या है, जो लास्ट टाइम में टिल नाउ तक कंप्लीट हो गए। This tense is used in the following ways: to narrate the event, action, or situation which may have happened recently, as I bought a car 1 month ago. The purchasing of car is complete, so that is in past tense. 5 years ago I left this college, यानी कि वर्क जो है, कॉलेज एक्शन जो है क्या है, लेफ्ट दिस कॉलेज, लेफ्ट होने का एक्शन जो है हो चुका है। व्हेन 5 years एगो, 5 साल पहले। सो इट इज, सो दिस सेंटेंस इज इन सिंपल पास्ट। शी लेफ्ट आवर हाउस ओनली एन आवर एगो, मैंने अपने घर को छोड़ दिया है केवल 1 घंटे पहले। To narrate the events, actions, or situations which may have happened in the डिस्टेंस पास्ट, डिस्टेंस पास्ट यानी कि काफ़ी टाइम पहले। अशोका वाज अ ग्रेट किंग, द मंगोल्स इन्वेडेड चाइना मेनी टाइम्स। टू नरेट द इवेंट्स, एक्शन और सिचुएशन विच मे हैव हैपेंड इन द पास्ट एट द टाइम रेफरेंस इज गिवन एज I received your letter yesterday. They left for Singapore last night. It rained yesterday. To narrate the events, action, or situation which may have happened at the definite time, but this time is not mentioned explicitly as I bought this pen from Mumbai when I was there some time ago. I saw Ritik in the college when I was when I was there this morning. I never met my grandfather. He is dead now. To talk about an activity that took place regularly or repeatedly in the past but which no longer occurs, we use the simple past as Pandit Nehru paid a visit to Manali every year. He went to the Golden Temple daily to offer prayers. He always went to same park every morning. Note: we can also use expression used to plus verb in place of simple past tense in order to express actions which were habits or continuing state of things in the past, especially when the time is not clearly indicates. My father used to go for a walk in the morning. Gandhiji used to spin on the charkha every day. I used to visit the Hanuman temple regularly in my childhood days. It must be borne in mind that used to does not have past tense form. To describe an action or event which occupied in a period of time in the past which is now ended, as she slept for 4 hours is not sleeping now. He lived in Kolkata for 5 years is not longer living here now. He taught at the university for 4 years does not teach now. To express an event which occurred at the particular point in the past. He returned from Mumbai on last Monday. The poor old woman crossed the road very carefully to make polite inquiries, as the simple past tense does not always refer to past time. It can also be used with polite inquiries, particularly asking for favors, often with verbs like hope, think, or wonder, as I wonder if you would lend me that magazine. I wonder if you could lend me that magazine more polite.